Welcome to Web Scraping with WebHarvy. WebHarvy is a generic visual web scraping software which you can use to scrape data from any website. And the best thing about using WebHarvy to scrape data is that it's very easy to use. You can select the data which you need to scrape by simply clicking on them. So let's go through some quick examples to see how easy it is to scrape data from websites using WebHarvy. So as you can see, WebHarvy contains a built-in browser using which you can navigate to web pages. And once you have loaded the page which displays the data which you need to scrape, click on the Start Configuration button, and then you can just click and select the data which you need to scrape. And if I scroll down, I can see that these product listings span across multiple pages, and you can configure WebHarvy to scrape data from each of them by clicking on the next page link and by setting it as the next page link. Now let's also follow each of these products to load its details page, from where we can select additional data. If you apply capture more content a few times, the follow this link option is enabled for this website, and I can select it, and WebHarvy will load the product details page. And from here I can scrape additional data. I'm using the capture following text option here since it provides more accuracy in data selection irrespective of the position or the location of the data on the page. I can also scrape the product image. You can get the image URL or download the image as a file to a computer. And if I scroll down, I can select more details. Again, I'm using the capture following text option whenever it's applicable. Okay, now I can stop the configuration and start mining. This is where WebHarvy actually gets the data from multiple pages, and by following all the product links, I could have also saved the configuration as a file so that I can run it later or edit to make it changes. So as you can see, WebHarvy is following each product link and fetching data. It will also load the second page and continue this for a product list in the second and third and fourth pages and so on. I can also, once the mining is finished, I can export this data to a database, or I can just save it as a file. Various file formats like Excel, CSV, TSV, XML and JSON are supported. Let's also quickly follow another example where let's try to get a restaurant data from Yellow Pages. So I have loaded the page. I can start configuration, click and select the name. Likewise for phone number, and as before, scroll down for the pagination links. I can click on the second page number link and set it as the next page link when there is no next label button available, and start mine. So this is just scratching the surface of what's possible with WebHarvy. Even though WebHarvy is very simple to use, it can also scrape data from most complex websites. So a lot of under the hood features like regular expression support for running JavaScript on the page, etc. are provided. We will discuss those in subsequent videos. And if you find this useful, please go ahead to webharvy.com, where you can download and install the trial version of WebHarvy. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you.